When it comes to the best Land Rover wheel spacers, always choose the dual brand set. In fact, reputable manufacturers make nice wheel spacers. A junior brand usually becomes a junior brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated and the factories only use processes that have been proven to be safe. With such Land Rover wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your driving with peace of mind. Using Land Rover wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand service impact. In this case, forged wheel spacers are the priority. High-end Land Rover wheel spacers are made from forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. These Land Rover wheel spacers are continuously preset under tons of pressure. As a rule of thumb, both on Land Rover wheel spacers are safer and more reliable. Their bolts to the vehicle hub and the wheels are mounted on the spacers. Two sets of wheel lugs keep the hub spacer wheel connection stronger and stable. Therefore, in addition to the wheel spacers themselves, the strength of the stud and lug nut is extremely important. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with SGS and TUV certificate. In general, aluminum alloys has good corrosion resistance and are rust-proof. They are resistant to rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterpart. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the wheel spacers, BONOSS aluminum Land Rover wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hard anodizing. A purple hard anodizing ensures complete protection against corrosion. The oxide layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a premium appearance, but also tends to be the light first. This means that anodized Land Rover wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day!